Yes, so how to fight negative peer pressure. So the first thing, my boys, I'm talking to the teenagers. We should learn to say no. Saying no doesn't mean that I hate you, but saying no, it's just ni umeamua tu, yani umesema mimi I can't go to that direction. Unasema tu no confidently and firmly because you owe no one an explanation. You should not explain as why are you not going. Unataka niende, unataka kupelekwa Dunda, unataka kupelekwa sherehe. Huko sherehe kuna mambo mbaya itaenda kutendeka. Wewe umekaa chini ukafikiria ukaona I can't go there. Don't do things to make other people wakwe happy and yet wewe unaenda kuumia. So learn to say no. Don't go to that party because you want to make your friend akwe happy.